Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My today's topic is Fiqh Hanafi. The source books for Hanafi Fatawa are mostly from Darr-ul-Mukhtar, Ibn Abidin Shami, and Fatawa Alamgiri. Let us go for the Darr-ul-Mukhtar. This book was written about 500 years ago by a person in Central Asia. His name was Alauddin al-Haskafi. Okay. In the beginning of this book, which I have in Urdu, for about 25 pages, there is so much of written about this book that it was written by the permission of Nabi Akram Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Akram Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam put his tongue in the mouth of this Skafi, then he started writing this thing. And the asnad, that means the narrations and whatever is written in this book, the sanad, it all goes all the way to Allah. Not only to the Prophet, but goes all the way to Allah. And then when Hazrat Isa will come back to before Qiyamah, he will be following this book, Darr-ul-Mukhtar, or Fiqh Hanafi. That a person wrote about 1,000 books, then he put in a river, and when Hazrat Isa, when Hazrat Isa comes back before this one, before Qiyamah, he will retrieve those books and follow the Fiqh Hanafi. This one, Abu Hanifa is the Siraj of this Ummat Muhammadi. Many things. If you can read in Urdu, it is 20, 25 pages just written about this, all those, just to sell their fiqh. Because if something is very this, the people will follow, why fabricate all those nonsense things.